Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to export anything without the KineMaster logo, without Premium. First of all, you're going to have to zoom out on the pan and zoom option. And then you're going to want to try and match it up as close as you can. And yeah, try and do that. Try to get it matched perfectly. If you don't get it perfectly, that's fine. It might move a bit, but it'll be no big deal. Okay. Once you're done doing that, you're going to want to export it now. Export and share. You can choose any quality you like. Then wait for me to just export. It won't take long. Well, if you're uploading a very big video, it may take a bit long, but I'm just uploading a little test video. And yep, you're going to want to go to here, and you're going to want to go to copy to iMovie. Then your video should pop up here, and then you're going to want to press that magnifying glass thing, and then okay, then you're done. Because it'll hide the KineMaster logo. And once you're done, upload it. You can do anything you want with this one. For this one, I choose YouTube to upload. It's a bit of a test. So, yeah. And if any of these options, you don't have to follow my lead. You don't have to do the same name like my movie. Anyways, we're going off track, and then publish it to YouTube. I'm going to speed this up a bit. And there we go. You click on that video, and you see, yay, no KineMaster logo, yay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.